So we know throughout this course we're going to be building a WordPress theme, but what exactly is a WordPress theme? Well, on the official WordPress documentation, in the What is a Theme section, we can see that a WordPress theme changes a design of the website and often changing the layout, which will then change how the end user sees our site on the front end, i.e. what a visitor sees. So basically, a theme can have different layouts. It can use static or responsive layouts. We'll be using Bootstrap to create a responsive layout with various column widths. So it generally takes all of our content from WordPress, whether that is the pages we've created, whether that's any blog posts, any media such as images or videos, and displays them in any way which we create in our theme. Scrolling further down, themes are made up of some required files such as the index.php and also the style.css, and we'll add these into our theme soon. We'll also be adding lots more PHP template files. We'll also be creating files for localization, which is for translating our theme. We'll be using multiple CSS files in JavaScript to include Bootstrap, and generally all the rest of the contents which we'll need to construct our theme. If we take a look at the finished site just here, this is the skin or the theme which we're going to be building throughout this course. It will include lots of Bootstrap columns, rows, images and text to create the final version which we see here. If we go to the blog section, this is going to be all of the blog posts which we create in WordPress, and it's going to loop through them and display them all on this page, along with our sidebar on the right hand side, which will allow us to search through these posts and also filter by the archives, the categories, or any tags which have been added. If we go over to the dashboard, and then in the theme section, this is the Tranquil Spa theme which we have activated. When installing WordPress, we also have default themes which come with it. I'm going to activate a different theme called 2019. Then if we go back to our site and refresh, we see the same two pages of home and blog, since it's using the same information which is currently in WordPress, but just creating a different layout. We also have our same blog posts, although a different style and layout has been applied. This is the exact same content, but presented in a different way. We also have our sidebar down at the very bottom. These are all the same blocks of content which we've created in our theme, but just laid out in a different way. Back over to the theme section, let's take a look at one more. This is the 2017 theme. And let's take a look at this, starting with the home. So this again looks completely different. Although we do still have our same pages, it has a completely different feel to our original site. And this is what a theme will do. Clicking on the blog, we still see all of the same content, such as the blog posts, which are all listed. We see the same featured images which were added. And also the sidebar on the right has all of the same blocks of content, just rearranged in a different way. So this is the power we have as a theme developer. We can create any type of website we want using WordPress, and this will allow us to create our Tranquil Spa website as we go through the course, along with giving you the skills and knowledge to build any type of WordPress website which you would like, whether that's for yourself, for the project, for the business, or for the client.